Good morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Courtney Gavan.
And I'm Jake Fulmer.
Malala Yousafzai, often referred to mononymously as Malala and by her married name, Malala Yousafzai Malik, is a Pakistani activist for female education and Nobel Peace Prize laureate. She is also the world's youngest Nobel Prize laureate and second Pakistani to ever receive a Nobel Prize.
We realize the importance of our voices only when we are silenced. Malala.
Attention seniors who have siblings, brothers or sisters also attending Seminole High School. If you want to be included in the yearbook sibling section, check your email or Baler News on Instagram for the Google form to submit photos. There's no cost to being included in the sibling section, but is only limited to seniors who have a brother or sister or sibling on campus. Today is the last day to submit your pictures for this awesome sibling section.
Student support.
Today I'm going to tell you a story of something that happens often, something that is important to be aware of. This is about a boy who was tardy. It all begins like a regular day, bumping into people, running to get there on time. He would rush to the gate, hoping someone would help him out. There always was, but even after knowing he should have been on time, he never was. Barging into class, causing a commotion, he could feel the stares of others, watching him think of excuses. Always late, one said, as awkwardness crept in. Why is he late? Said another, as anxiety stifled in. Wait, is he in this class? Said that one kid. The teacher wondered why he was late. It wasn't the first time. You missed the announcements, he claimed. The boy, hoping his actions would be forgotten, jumbled up excuses, which only made things worse. So the teacher, disappointed, sent him to the discipline room, hoping that he would realize the severity of his actions. On his walk there, the boy claimed he didn't care, that it wasn't as important, but little did he know tardiness would count as truancies. In the room, the staff member waited, having received a call to inform him of the situation. This has happened before, and the consequences will be worse. Take a seat and be conscious of a solution. Thank you for watching. Remember, don't be late.
The FIDM Fashion Club meets every Monday in room 347. This club teaches about the fashion industry, current trends, how it affects our planet, and multiple workshops on drawing, sewing, and so much more. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at SBHSD FIDM Fashion for any updates. We hope to see you there, Mondays in room 349, sorry.
And here's Sports Med video.
Happy CTE Month, Balers. I'm your host, Elijah Rosas, and today we'll be exploring the CTE pathway for Sports Medicine 1, Sports Medicine 2, and Advanced Sports Medicine. There are 3 health science and medical technology courses: Introduction to Medical Careers, Sports Medicine 1, and Sports Medicine 2. In Sports Medicine 1, students learn basic medical terminology and anatomy, prevention of injuries, injury recognition, and rehabilitation, taping and wrapping, stretching methods, and have the opportunity to be certified in first aid, CPR, and AED. In Sports Medicine 2, the field of sports medicine will be explored in greater detail. In Sports Medicine 1 and 2, students will be required to complete observation hours or an interview with a medical professional and write a research paper on one of the injuries or illnesses they observed and complete a professional digital portfolio in order to apply for a medical internship upon graduation.
Last semester, we learned CPR and first aid. Yeah, we learned how to take blood pressure and all that.
I worked on observation hours, so I was observing a athletics trainer, and I was also an assistant aide, so I got to go to football games and help out.
Right now in class, we're currently working on splinting and using spine boards and stuff like that.
Now make sure you take advantage of these awesome, interesting CTE classes that you can take for your future career.
Students, for those who are interested in the Adams Family opens soon at SBHS, but students can get a sneak peek during HST next week. If you are interested, please sign up to see the production of the play.